Should I move before I short sale? Hey, Mike Wrigley, Certified Default Advocate, Distressed Property Expert, and Short Sale Specialist here. We get that question more often than not. Now, we'll never tell you to make a house payment or not make a house payment. That's totally up to you and your personal situation. But quite honestly, unless you have a burning desire to get out of the property now, I would certainly suggest staying in the property while it's for sale and all the way up until we get ready to close escrow. Here's my way of thinking. If you're currently not making your payment and you move, you're going to have to start making rent payments right away. Plus you're going to have to come up with a first and last and a down payment. And if you are making your payment and you move, you're going to have to start making your rent payments right away, and in addition to your house payment. So in either case, why pay when you don't have to? On average, it takes 4 to 6 months from the time we list the property until we close escrow. Sometimes less, sometimes more. At any rate, what could you do by saving 4 to 6 months of rent or house payments? If your rent is $1,400 a month and it takes us 4 months to close your short sale, that's nearly $6,500. If it takes us 6 months, it's almost $8,500 just by not moving, and even more if your rent payment is higher. When you do move, you're going to need, like I said, you're going to need first and last and a deposit and a rental truck and whatever else there is associated with moving. It's expensive. Why not stay rent-free and save that money while we process the short sale? I'd like to encourage all homeowners to look at a short sale strictly as a business decision. Why spend money when you don't have to? For details on your particular situation, call me today for a free, no-obligation consultation. Call me today, sleep better tonight. You'll be glad you did. And thanks for joining us.